Learn English to Gujarati contact words. Contact to.
ગેરસમજ.
Hello and let's talk. Hey, you're in the right place if you want practical Gujarati for everyday communication. Today you'll learn words you can use for phones, plans, messages, and those awkward moments when your brain says one thing and your mouth starts a small disaster. We'll practice these key Gujarati words together. Contact is.
સંપર્ક.
Appointment is.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
Making an appointment can be.
મુલાકાત નક્કી કરવી.
Invitation is.
આમંત્રણ.
Message is.
સંદેશ.
Answer is.
જવાબ.
Feedback is.
પ્રતિસાદ.
And misunderstanding is.
ગેરસમજ.
Ready? Excellent. Your future multilingual self is already impressed. Your core words today. First, let's meet the vocabulary like a tiny cast of dramatic characters. Say each one out loud after me. Contact.
સંપર્ક.
Imagine your phone suddenly remembering everyone you forgot to text. Appointment.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
Literally, meeting time. To make or set an appointment.
મુલાકાત નક્કી કરવી.
A useful phrase when life becomes suspiciously organized. Invitation.
આમંત્રણ.
Fancy card, happy face, maybe snacks. Message.
સંદેશ.
A little packet of meaning or sometimes chaos. Answer.
જવાબ.
The thing teachers want and group chats rarely provide. Feedback.
પ્રતિસાદ.
Helpful comments or the universe politely suggesting improvement. Misunderstanding.
ગેરસમજ.
The classic, that is not what I meant, moment. A funny story at the tea shop. Now let's put everything into one playful story so the words stick better. Listen like you're watching a comedy scene. I went to a tea shop to meet a friend, but first I lost her.
સંપર્ક.
No number, no chat, no heroic rescue by memory. Then I found an old.
સંદેશ.
On my phone. Great. Progress. In that message, she wrote, don't forget our.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
At 4. Naturally, I arrived at 5, because apparently my watch and reality are not in close.
સંપર્ક.
When she arrived, she laughed and said, did you forget we had to?
મુલાકાત નક્કી કરવી.
Again after last week? I said, I thought that was an.
આમંત્રણ.
To be fashionably late. She gave me one very clear.
જવાબ.
No. Then she gave me helpful.
પ્રતિસાદ.
Read messages fully before acting like a confused movie hero. In the end, it was all just a.
ગેરસમજ.
We drank tea, laughed, and agreed that communication is easier when the brain actually attends the meeting. Mini dialogues you can use. Let's make the words practical. Repeat these short lines and imagine real situations. Do you have her contact? In Gujarati, contact is.
સંપર્ક.
I have a doctor appointment tomorrow. Appointment is.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
We need to make an appointment. You can use.
મુલાકાત નક્કી કરવી.
I received an invitation. Invitation is.
આમંત્રણ.
Please send a message. Message is.
સંદેશ.
What is your answer? Answer is.
જવાબ.
Thank you for your feedback. Feedback is.
પ્રતિસાદ.
Sorry, it was a misunderstanding. Misunderstanding is.
ગેરસમજ.
Memory tricks that actually behave. Here are some silly memory hooks, because your brain likes weird things more than it admits. 4.
સંપર્ક.
Think. Some park friends stay in contact. Ridiculous, yes. Useful, also yes. 4.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
Think. Meeting plus time. It almost explains itself like a very responsible calendar. 4.
મુલાકાત નક્કી કરવી.
Imagine pointing at a date and declaring, this. We are doing this. 4.
આમંત્રણ.
Picture a shiny wedding card arriving with dramatic music. 4.
સંદેશ.
Here, send-ish. If you send it, maybe it's a.
સંદેશ.
4.
જવાબ.
Imagine a quiz show buzzer and someone yelling the answer before the host even breathes. 4.
પ્રતિસાદ.
Picture a comment card that helps you improve instead of emotionally attacking your soul. 4.
ગેરસમજ.
Imagine two people smiling politely while understanding absolutely nothing. Quick challenge. Time for a short quiz. Don't panic. This is friendly practice, not a courtroom. What is the Gujarati word for contact?
संपर्क,
What is the Gujarati word for appointment?
મુલાકાતનો સમય,
How do you say to make an appointment?
મુલાકાત નક્કી કરવી,
What is invitation in Gujarati?
આમંત્રણ,
What is message?
સંદેશ,
What is answer?
જવાબ,
What is feedback?
પ્રતિસાદ,
And what is misunderstanding?
ગેરસમજ.
Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Seriously, your vocabulary list is now much less scary and much more usable. Today you practiced.
સંપર્ક, મુલાકાતનો સમય, મુલાકાત નક્કી કરવી, આમંત્રણ, સંદેશ, જવાબ, પ્રતિસાદ,
And
ગેરસમજ.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and use them in your own tiny dialogues. Bit by bit, your Gujarati will grow, and hopefully with less.
ગેરસમજ.
And better.
સંપર્ક,